Yeah.
Yeah, bitch.
This end plywood's got flat bar written on it. This end piece here has flat bar written all over it. So that one, I got the other one. Did you? Just need to get it off. Yeah, you like that?
Oh my gosh.
Might have been easier to open the fucker up with the sawzall. Yeah. You want to get it?
Yeah, I'll get it.
No, inside there's an oscillating saw.
Where at?
Laying in the master
Now,
bedroom.
before anybody takes another step, not a fucking step, understand something, motards. This door cost $10,000.
Okay,
Hold on, it took 6.5 fucking months to get. If one person fucks one thing up, that hammer is going in your head.
Told you he'd be bitching.
Just giving everybody fucking fair notice.
Well, you're standing close to him because he's going to be the one.
No, he's not. I got a buddy feeling it's probably going to be you, Foster.
What's that?
Or that dipshit over there.
I mean, it may be a mark, but it doesn't have to be this one.
Well, you got two options and it's the same option.
Fuck
so.
you and your options, ho. How many of these $10,000 doors you think I've set, son?
None.
These
Shit,
go
I
on the
set an
inside or outside,
$80,000
Jimmy?
door.
80,000?
Yep, right up in Clinton.
Did it break?
No, but they took it out 3 weeks later and laid it in the front yard for 3 years.
Don't fucking look at me like that. I'm not dictates out your mouth.
Forster?
No, cut across this.
Yeah. Tyler, to the end of that. Away from that.
Screws.
Damn, man. We got a package today. You motherfucking silly ass bastard. There you
Give
go.
me that skill saw.
It's got more skill than you.
Yeah, most people do.
There she is.
Is it attached at the bottom somehow?
Probably.
No, that's fucking heavy.
You want to take it out of the packing right here?
No. I would let's get the frame. Let's get the frame out, get the frame set, and then we'll worry about taking the doors apart, because those 4 corners, that whole thing's gonna fall apart. See what I'm saying?
Hold that.
What you get, Margie?
He's coming back.
Tell you what, man, for not he left his Teledyne.
Holy shit.
You believe that?
I got down film.
Hey, that'd have been a good one to drive all the way back into town and Teledyne's there.
No shit.
What a fucking retard. Jesus Christ, man.
That's something Dale would do.
Yeah.
He had to have gotten off of it to get in the truck.
Huh?
He had to get off of
Well,
it.
they got off of it.
Got in the truck and fucking left.
He probably feels like a dumbass.
Yeah, I would. You don't need that.
Hey, is this still blinking red?
Yep.
Okay.
Slowly.
Where do you want me at? You want me like in the middle, or you want me, or by him or you?
4 guys on it. Enough to grab onto. You're taking the fucking thing.
Yeah,
off.
right.
Give me that hammer.
You slide this way.
Here you go.
Sure. Try to slide this way. Lift up.
Attach in the middle somehow. Kyler, swing it this way towards Mark. Okay, now try and lift it.
Okay, I think it's off now.
Yep. Lean back up.
Now how are we gonna get it in there?
Huh?
I want to get 2 more feet.
Hey, he's the boss, man. What he says goes.
Fuck if he is not. We called for more help down here.
That frame.
Yeah, I got impact right. No, I don't have my truck.
All right.
Ditto's got those.
Net drivers?
It's like a quarter or something.
Let's see.
Mr. Bougie, you might have to come down here.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on.
Let me know when you need me.
Yep. Should we pull that plastic off?
Why don't we do this? Why don't we just set this fucking thing? Is this thing stable? No. Huh? It's not stable?
It'll lay down.
Huh?
It'll lay on you.
Why don't we do this? Why don't we go ahead and take that frame off and then set this back up on there, get that frame installed, and we can take this apart just up here.
Okay. We're going to take it inside.
Well, I mean, this fucking frame probably weighs 75.
That was my thought.
75 pounds,
Let me see
man.
if I got net driver in my truck. I know.
No matter how much we prepare for no mud out
No.
here, dude,
You can't.
it just. You know what I mean?
Yep.
What do you do? I mean, we're lucky the driveway's as good as it is, or it'd be another fucking shit show.
Yep.
We're gonna need that oscillator to mark out where the drywalls go, so we can cut the drywall out.
That goes on the inside,
Yeah.
so they swing in.
Yep. Well, that just mounts right in there, then.
2 hinges.
I know a guy right now that builds those coffer ceilings in 4 hours. Pull him up.
Who?
The dude that we watch that builds those coffer ceilings.
My phone's in the truck.
Real time builds. 4 hours. 100%, dude. Watch his videos.
Well,
It's live videos. He puts a camera up in the room. He puts his name. It's tape measure, pencil, knife is his YouTube name. He sets cameras up in his thing, and it's real time lapse. 4 hours. You watch the whole video. It's 4 hours. He builds an entire coffer ceiling in 4 hours, bigger than that room, by himself.
bullshit.
Dude, I'll get the video out and show you. I didn't believe it either.
Hey,
he's got 6,000 videos on there of him doing shit, but it's how he does it.
Well, yeah. I mean, that's part of it. I mean, just like me framing something.
Right. It's
You know,
a
take
process.
him 2 days building them
But my
closets.
point is,
An hour.
it shouldn't take a week to build that coffer ceiling. It should
You
take
don't
2
to.
days.
I'm thinking. I think I told somebody last night like 2 days.
2 days. 1 day to frame it in, and then 1 day to trim it out. Now the big room, probably 3 days.
I'm thinking half a day to build it, and
A day and a half.
right down there.
Oh. It's your mom. Hello.
I'm gonna get ready to set.
Tyler, you gotta take that bottom one out. There's 2 at the bottom. Mark one side and get the other.
Okay.
Get your fat ass down there and get her dead.
God damn, man. That's why I can't get nothing fucking ever done. Everybody's fucking helpless. Oh, I don't have this, or I can't do this, or fucking retards, man.
Maybe you're just the elite.
I'm beginning to believe that.
You like that one, didn't you, Mark? This is where you probably ought to tell me to shut up and not add to it. Because I'll have you boiling.
You got me boiling, man.
It's already boiling. What the fuck are you talking about?
I've seen you boil over, son.
So do I.
That day he was talking to Rod Dwyer on the phone in my house. I was flipping the fuck out. Like, I ain't never seen this bitch come undone like this.
Dude, there's just certain people.
I'm gonna tell you right fucking now, Rod. If you come out there while he's on the job, he's gonna fucking leave. And you're gonna fucking pay him the full goddamn contract. Do you understand me?
There's just some people, man, that can just fucking put you over the edge. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can fuck with me all day long and I just laugh about it. But someone else says one thing, I just want to tear his fucking head off. You know what I mean? It's just crazy how some people
Sound like he knows not to fuck with me, don't it?
Yeah.
do that to me, man. Diddle's down there about to have a fucking stroke. So out of shape. He can't even turn a fucking ring.
That motherfucker, you get some breathing heavy lifting up a sandwich.
Yeah, man.
It's like,
Look, he's fucking like struggling.
Crack. Hey!
here, I'm like that on you. That's right, guys. I'll hold this frame, keep it falling on me. I stayed in work relief.
Fuck you.
Mr. Ditto, we're gonna let you go home. No, I want to stay. I'm gay for the state, and I'm here.
His next home's gonna be fucking cell block fucking
No, it
C
ain't.
or fucking
Damn it.
Camp Pendleton.
With big panties pulling him down. Come here, son. Let me suck your dick. Okay. Let me get your laundry.
me! Bring that one to me!
Can I do your laundry? Let me have your socket to hold on to.
Oh, Ditto.
Keep it up.
You go back.
Is that what you tell your boyfriend? Keep it up. I like that.
Oh, my
Take it out, you're killing me. No, put it back in before I bleed to death.
You fucking faggot.
You're the one that sleeps with men. What, 40 of them?
And he's got a bunkmate.
And loving every minute of it.
I didn't know if you'd had tools on this truck, but I know you got. I know there's those two. I know you got these wrenches on your truck. That's the thing.
But I mean, there is like, within my contract, a tool truck, a 550.
It is. It's right
ain't
here. It's in the fucking garage. You guys emptied it out.
No, I should have to empty it. I should be able to go to the truck and get what I want when I need it. This is my story, and I'll tell it.
Well, if I'd had my truck here, I had all these in my truck.
Well, why is your fucking truck here? See?
Bingo. Not correctional officer.
Right.
Fuck you guys. Put that on your goddamn YouTube, motherfucker.
That didn't sound good.
Standard basic issue for our company is an orange jumpsuit and a prison number.
Unless you're in Illinois, you need to be wearing stripes.
That's right.
20885. Community corrections. We're coming out to check on you. Oh, that fucker unloaded.
It's still hooked up somehow.
Oh my god.
Nope, maybe
No,
not.
it's not.
You gotta slide it out. It won't
man.
tip out.
You'll have to, tip it and slide it.
Ow! Jesus Christ, this frame weighs a ton.
Yep.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
How are we gonna get over the top of them?
Well, what we're gonna do is slide it on the way out, Foster. Okay.
Jesus
Now-
Christ.
We're gonna.
Think about this for a second.
Should have thought about that while I was taking the fucking bullshit.
Shut up, bitch.
Here. Grab the end. Hold on. Grab the end of that right there, Marty. Tyler, just stabilize it. I'm gonna pick it up and swing it to the concrete. You ready? Yep.
I can't go very far. This frame.
You got the frame, Tyler? Hold the frame.
All right. You got the door?
Yep.
All right.
I'd say that's our key points right there.
Yeah.
Taking it apart.
Okay. Now, can you pick that frame up and spin it this way, Margie?
You want me to hold it still?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. Okay. Hold on. Foster, can you pick that frame up? We're going to get it out parallel here, then we're going to pick it up sideways and take it through.
Okay. I'm gonna slide on that.
Can you lay that down flat?
I'm going to.
Oh, God damn.
What am I doing? You just step on that.
Yeah.
I thought you stepped off.
I think 3 staples went in there.
God damn.
Feels great.
Spin that around, Marky.
I got this, Tyler.
Okay.
You got this.
Yeah, pick it up, Tyler. Okay. Don't drag it in mud. You're dragging fucking. I know. Okay.
As long as
Now-
you go.
Is this going to stay? Okay. Now lean that toward me and Foster. Okay. Tyler, go down there and grab the end where Ditto's at. Okay, we're gonna spin it around. Facing the wrong way. Well, that's right. We can change it. Oh goddamn! Look at the whole fucking sign over here. You 30 motherfuckers over there. Now, okay, Kyler, I'm gonna hold this. You come on this side.
Okay. Got it?
Hold on. All right, now lean this back, Kyler.
Okay.
Well, maybe not. Maybe it'll stay.
I don't know. No.
I mean, it's stabilized like how it is.
Take 6 months or so. And a couple grand.
Can you pick?
Or hey, do you want to move it towards on the side right there?
No, we'll just.
Then 2 cords on there. You can lay it to where it hinges on them.
The side and spin it around.
Huh?
Hinge it this way. Spin your side on around.
Yep, the other way. The other way.
This way?
Yep.
Okay.
Now you got more room.
That's right. I don't know. We're gonna find out.
So I'm taking it that way. Okay.
Okay, now. Hold on. Hold
Pick
on.
it up.
Lean it.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Hold on before you do that, Foster. I gotta get this out of here. Ready?
Yeah.
Now lean it.
Shouldn't have to. Should go right in.
Yeah, they got that.
Oh, that metal plate on. I'm sorry. You're right.
Big time leaning. There you go.
Yeah, swing right around this way, Foster.
Now, back it in. Take some measurements. Grab that oscillator. And we'll cut that drywall.
How long you set right in there?
Do that too. Take a look at that. Like a swing right there. We go.
Bring it back. Lean back. Okay.
We'll go your way, Foster. Okay. Take it out. Stop fucking up the house rat.
Huh? Who's your daddy,
Well, don't kick it.
What's that?
Okay.
Don't get cocky yet. Yeah. Yeah. No shit.
You want me to push this in more on right here?
Yeah.
You want me to push this in more right here?
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
Where's the trim for this door?
They have to have it made. Pull that in over the top of this and work on it. Let me sweep that floor.
Yeah.
Not within your house. I don't think that.
Set these.
Maybe it is. I thought the screws that fall off the hinges. No, I'm saying they do. They can paint them. You know what I mean?
So we want to set the doorknob on there?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and put the doorknob on just so we can close it up. Yeah. Tyler, go get a trash bag out of my truck so we can clean all this shit up.
You mean hold it?
Yeah, I got to move it around and hold it at the same time. I think I may have just lucked out. We got the hill.
Screwdriver. What you need, Marty?
Screwdriver.
Right there.
Lucked out on this one anyways. Shut up, Foster. What'd you ask my sister out for?
Huh?
You asked my sister out.
No, I did not. Asked her to come over. That's different.
Oh.
I said yeah.
Ain't no fucking way. Huh? No, she just asked me about you. Shit. What kind of guy you were? I don't know.
Here you go.
Straight in, Marty.
I'm feeling good.
Not yet. Straight in.
That's all it's deep right to go without moving it.
Huh?
This is deep right to go without moving it. Needs to go down though.
But if he
Yours out there needs to
he
go up.
lowers the inside, that there is set in place because of being a screw in the bottom of that. But the inside, you can lower that whole handle down and still cover a hole if you have to re-drill it.
You're low out there.
Yeah.
Low on it.
You were. So I moved it. Here, let me see. Okay, it's there, but it's not, it's got to go down. Well, maybe not.
Looks like a screw in. Yes, it is.
Yeah, you got it now.
Got it. Is that in out there?
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean that, yeah, it's pulling that up tight.
Good?
I think so. But that ain't sitting flush though, is it?
Not the screw? Yeah.
Is it? Not really. See, it's at a
Can't really move anymore either.
it's at a fucking angle though.
This thing here. Perfect. These two screw holes right here are good.
Okay, go ahead.
Tighten them down.
Okay. Nope.
See if it's-
little bit too late. I said a little bit too late.
Still got a hold of it, Kyler?
Yep, I got.
That's in.
Yep.
Okay. Now we got a bunch of fucking shit to line up.
I think it's how you drill those fucking holes, those handles.
No, it's bottom. Turn that over.
It's got to be upside down,
Hope so.
right side up.
I hope that did it.
I hope it is too. You already drilled the fucking hole.
I put that hole where it's supposed to be, Jimmy.
I hope so.
I don't think so, Tim. You gonna split your wig?
No shit.
Why am I doing this? Because you're old.
Still no Kenny? Fuck no. I think he's still up there working on that fucking house, man.
Yeah, this stuff will on.
Glad we didn't need him for something, you know what I mean?
I didn't like that. Okay.
All right, I'll hold it.
Yep. Move your hand.
Yeah, there you go.
Shit.
There.
Okay, it's on. Put the little one in first. That's a long window in there. Now these two. We're gonna find fuck. What's going on here? Oh, fuck. It's gonna be one of those deals.